a stunning comeback in 2024 assembly polls. A staggering consolidation in 2025 local polls. Devendra Fadnavis establishes himself as the only mass leader of Maharashtra and the king of its crown jewel, Mumbai. With the BJP alliance sweeping the BMC polls, stunning the Thakres, whose Shiv Sena ruled the richest civic body for decades.
ये मामूली विजय नहीं, ये अतिभव्य इस प्रकार का विजय है। इसलिए ये विजय मैं सभी को समर्पित करते हुए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं, सभी को बधाई देता हूं और अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
The man from Vidarbh, who famously called himself modern-day Abhimanyu, humbled the Thakres in their den.
मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि मैं आधुनिक अभिमन्यु हूँ, चक्रव्यूह को भेदना जानता हूँ। हमने चक्रव्यूह को भेदा है।
As the BJP gets ready for its first Mumbai mayor, the credit goes to Devendra Fadnavis. He handled the campaign and the united Thakres with strategic ease, never falling into the regionalism trap laid for him as the Thakres raised the Marathi Manus pitch.
ये मुंबई के संस्कृति में, मुंबई के त्योहारों में ये पूरा महाराष्ट्र का जो खान पान है, महाराष्ट्र के जो तौर तरीके हैं, इसमें घुल मिल गए। इसलिए इनको आप अलग कह ही नहीं सकते, ये पूरे तरीके से सुरक्षित है।
Apart from the Thakres, Fadnavis has also humbled the other power name in Maharashtra politics, the Pawars, rewriting the political language of the state. As their estranged uncle and nephew joined hands for the civic polls, the master politician in Fadnavis trounced them on their turf in Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad. It's been a meteoric and dramatic climb up the political ladder for Devendra Fadnavis. From a corporator to becoming the youngest mayor of Nagpur at just 27, the first BJP chief minister of Maharashtra, he currently occupies the top post for the third time. In a state dominated by Maratha politics and politicians, the 54-year-old Brahmin leader with deep roots in RSS has carved his own space. Fadnavis contested his first assembly elections in 1999 and won. There's been no looking back since then. After the BJP Sena fallout in 2019, he had warned his detractors not to write him off.
मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना। मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना। मैं समंदर हूं, लौट कर वापस आऊंगा।
And scripted a stunning turnaround for the BJP in 2024 assembly polls after the Lok Sabha setback. Fadnavis has enjoyed the confidence of both Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah. At an election rally earlier, Prime Minister Modi had said, Devendra is Nagpur's gift to the country. Since his first tenure as CM, he has delivered a model of good governance, effective political maneuvering and development plank. He's also brought the urban and young voters closer to the BJP. If today, Maharashtra politics is being imagined without the Pawars and the Thakres, it's solely because of this one man, Devendra Fadnavis, the Swayam Sevak who has become the undisputed king. NDTV Bureau Report.